what would you like to do in terms of youth employment for the young generation?
I think that it is probably a paramount importance for not only for the society, but for the government, for even everyone to actually engage our youth in the mainstream activities of the society and economy. Because what we have seen in last particularly few decades, that in a lot of the cases, somehow youth community are not actually engaged in the mainstream economy. And that's why a lot of them probably are actually getting out of the country because they don't get opportunity inside, and some of them actually also suffer. Like we have seen even like educated people actually crossing the seas and risking their lives. Human trafficking is actually taking place. We need to actually ask why are these kind of things are taking place. It is mainly because we are not being able as a society to create a lot of opportunities for them. That's why they are actually taking so much risk, or they are kind of getting into things that they should not actually. And another thing is very important for us about the aspiration aspect of the youth. Like one criticism I have always put in about how government should actually, or the government sector should actually respond to the employment aspect with regard to the opportunities they give to the government employees itself. Say, for example, what we have seen in last few years, that the government payroll or the government salary and benefit have actually been increased almost kind of 2-3 folds. Now, this has actually created a lot of pressure to the private sector, because private sectors can't actually, unless they have their business growing 2 times or 3 times, they can't actually increase their salary or benefit to their workforce responding to government salary increase. But government has a kind of benefit that it can actually tax people and increase the salary of its own people. So what we have seen in last few years, that a lot of the young graduates, they actually don't want to work in the private sector because they are actually feeling that any government job can actually give them much better benefit in terms of salary and other benefits.